quarter. Eganya, pushing 2. Counted. First score of the third quarter. Martin. Bump. Jumping. What's the call, rep?
Shoot!
Oh, 4-3. Randy. Bang. Martin. Hop, bunny hop. Pass it to JMR Mission. Tumalagueño for 3. No good outside. Nothing but air. Randy. Oh, trying for 3. Sure for 3. No good outside. Nothing but air also.
It's okay, ownership.
Eganya. Crossover. Rebound by Chef. Counted. Acosta. Pass it to Estoya. Block by Chef. Blue ball. Backing violation. Shoko. Inbound the ball. Pass it to Osama. Steal by Martin. Layup. Counted. Shoko.
Mga agaw ng bola.
4-3. Pushing hard.
11.
Pushing foul by number 11. Do not cross the line when the referee gives the ball to the free throw. First strike counted.
Pinagalingan masyado ni Martin, ba yan?
Okay. Last draw. Martin. Counted.
Laban. Mga agaw talaga to si Martin eh, no?
Outside. Blue ball. Shukor. Pass it to Randy. Osama give it big. Randy for 3. Bye. Martin. Estoya for 2. Counted. Soher. Pass it to Randy. Oh, what's the call, rep? Blocking foul. Soko inbound the ball. Pass it to Randy. Giving screen to Randy. So where?
Oh, Shoko!
Pass it to Shokor.
Oy, outside.
Substitution. Osama out. Osin
Isang.
is down. El Nadi.
Defense, ownership.
Galas for 2. Counted.
Galing nga.
Shukor, nice. Sam. Trying to post. What's the call, rep? Traveling. Time out! Blue ball. In favor of Team Blue.
Mamaya, pagkatapos, pag na-time out sila ulit.
Martin.
Balibal?
Oh, what's the call, rep? Foul. Whistle.
Balibal saan nilalaro dito din?
Ay no, yung sa bilang dulo. May foul dun sa ano.
Martin.
Number 10 yung foul.
Spin move. For 2. Pass it to Jeff. Acosta for 2. No good.
Ownership!
Steal by outside.
Foul number 10 kanina.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Randy. Oh, still by Peter. Martin still. Syukur.
Cover, Randy.
Nice guard by Jemar.
11 seconds.
Syukur.
No.
Inbound the ball. Nice inbound for Eganya. Syukur give screen. Eganya.
Go, Randy.
Shot long two. No good. Rebound by Zoer. Block by Jeff. Outside. Foul.
Subload din sila, oh.
Dito ka.
Mamaya na.
Rep.
Mamaya pagtapos ng tira.
Saba. Pag
Go,
pumasok.
ownership.
Rep, pag pumasok saba.
Syukur. No good. Rebound by Stoya.
Defense.
Oh, nice layup by Jemar. Mission.
Okay, bantay pa sila.
Randy. Dribble the ball
Go,
and
Randy.
spin move. Shot. No good. Who's foul rep? Two.
Martin, huwag mo masyadong galingan.
First try for Randy.
Shoot.
No good. First try, no good.
Sir, pag shoot.
Later.
Huwag mo sasabihin. Tayo mag-decide dun. Alam naman natin eh. Randy. Substitution! Sukur out, Khaled in.
51 na yan, Jende.
All 51. 52 na to.
52 na tate.
52 na yung 52 na.
Martin.
Ownership.
For two, no good. Rebound by Randy. Randy going through. Pushing hard. For two, no count. Oh, rebound by Khaled. For three, Abdallah.
3 point yung stress yun.
Martin, spin move, pass it to Sagud. For two, no good.
Defense.
Same ball ah.
Yellow ball.
Jump ball yun, di ba, rep? Pasay mo lang. Blue na tayo.
Martin. Crossing the ball. Spin move. Pass it to Sagud. No good again. Randy.
Sir Ronnie, this is your court. Why are you here?
Oh, okay. Ref time. Time out. Yellow 51-55 in favor of ownership. Oh, nice post by Jeff. Foul. Counted. Number 23. Foul.
Yes, fine.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
58-51.
Martin. Error. Pass it to Randy. Dribble the ball. Bunny hop. No good. Jemar mission. Layup. Counted. Mr. MVP of the team, integrity. Abdallah. Dribbling the ball. Oh, crossover.
Shoot!
Second try, no good. Rebound by Randy. Pass it to Abdallah. Abdallah. Shot. Pounded. Randy. Pass it to Abdallah. Oh, he missed the pass.
Martin, go play lang. May referee na
Time
tayo.
remaining 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Martin. Dribbling the ball. Saka lang giving. What's the call, ref? Hand check. Foul. Penalty.
Stop ah. Oh, after sir, pag sumut ah. Pag sumut.
Hindi tinagulog mo?
Martin. No good. Rebound by Randy. Oh, still by Rene, but
Ay! Pass to Randy!
nabubulol na ako.
Pass to Randy, the ball! Ay! Shot! Ay! Nagdalisod ako yun, oh.
Nice.
What? Foul?
Foul number 23.
Rep sub.
Substitution Osama in.
Okay.
Okay, later. After free throw. Ilan na si Osama? Osama, you have four foul, ha? 3.
Oo, 53 yan.
Ilan na si Osama?
Oo, yan yan.
Osama, ilan na? Uy.
54 na yan. 54 dyan sa'yo, Bel.
54, 51.
Yari na kay Martin. Si Martin nagagalit na, oh.
51, 54.
Ilan na si Osama? Osama, your 4, ha?
Warning.
Warning, ha? Spin move, no good.
Martin, wag mo
Rebound by Khalid, pass it to Randy. Randy, spin move, up, error, airball.
Sinong out?
Morales in. Sagun out.
Ay, nag-sub na si Jerome.
Substitution. Toya in.
Sinong out?
Who's out? Mission out.
Si Martin na lang. Para mamahinga.
2 minutes, 46 seconds ha.
Defense!
Sanga lang. Dribble the ball in. Pass it to Jerome Morales. Crossover. It's error. Martin. It's a trap for Martin. Sanga lang for 2. Counted. So here.
56, 61.
The score is 56-61 in favor of Team Blue. Sugor. Martin, layup, no good. Foul by Osama. Who's foul rep? Osama.
Sama Paul.
Osama, graduate.
Yun, wala pang takbo-takbo yun, ha?
Second try for Martin. So here, rebound the ball.
2 minutes.
Randy Aganya. Syukur, Abdallah. Pass it to Syukur again for 3. No good.
Yung kunin mo, ano yun?
Pilipini ko.
Ano yan?
Sanga lang.
Third
Third
quarter.
quarter. Rebound by Abdallah. Pass it to Randy. Randy. Crossing the ball.
Shoot!
4-2. No count.
Parang napagod ako. Kasi nang
Pump. Pass it to Jerome. Uy!
Defense!
Oh! Sanga lang. Punches it to.
59, 61.
59-61!
Score is 59-61 in favor of Team Blue. Abdallah for 2. No good. Who's foul rep? Morales. Morales foul.
Alam niya niya anong gagawin.
Yes!
Galing din ni Syukur, oh. Alam niya na yung gagawin.
Nakabantay na ako.
Ay, magaling na yun. Nanonood na kami.
Stoya for 3. No count. Rebound by Peter. No good.
Continue, continue. Na-press, continue.
English rep.
Outside the ball. Dalawang libo. Cereal? Hindi sa akin lang. Oh, mamaya na, sir. Mamaya pag...
Randy. Crossover with Peter. For 3. No good. Rebound by Stoya. Pass it to Martin. Layup. No good. Rebound by Randy for 3. No good. Rebound by Stoya. Layup by Martin. Counted. Syukur.
25 seconds.
Ownership!
25 seconds.
Syukur. 20 seconds. Time remaining. 17 seconds. Syukur for 2. No good. Rebound by Zoher. Ah!
Ganun mo.
11.
Defense ownership by Princess. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Syukur.
Iligyan nyo na sa number 4.
Inbound the ball. Pass it to Randy. Oh, what's the call, rep?
What's the call, rep?
21, foul.
Uy, kailan na yung ano ni 21?
Nice low post. Counted for Chef.
Last quarter na yun, di ba? 66 namin. May 66.
Randy.
61 pa lang dito.
Oo nga, 66-61.
5 points pa lang. Shoot!
Oh, what's the call again, rep?
Oh.
Ano yan, count
Foul.
kasi?
Sagun.
21 daw, be, 21. Ilan na yan si 21? Kanina pa yan si 21, ah.
Fourth na. Sagon, fourth personal foul ha.
Sagun, fourth personal foul. Randy for 2. Counted. Post foul, rep.
08 daw.
08.
08 daw, be, foul. Be, na-foul mo na, 08.
Bawal ka dito, bawal ka. Right na.
Randy. Free throw. No good.
Yes!
Foul counted again for Mr. Chef Soher.
Good job, ownership!
Mr. Ronnie was so happy.
Woo!
Kaya, 4 na.
Estoya, fourth personal foul. 70-61 in favor of team ownership.
Defense!
Manuel Sangalang, layup counted. Run. Guarded by
Foul.
Defense!
nice pass for Peter. Shot for 2. Counted.
Uy, be, dagdag mo yan, be. Magagalit si Peter.
Foul.
Pushing foul for Randy.
Tuwa si Peter, oh.
Huwag kayo magsasalita, oy. Grabe huli na foul ha.
Ganya?
Iganya foul, ha?
Sa ano, isa pa lang.
Dalawa na yata yan.
Dalawa na sa'yo? Isa pa lang natin.
Oh.
Randy for 3. No good. Rebound by Stoya. Upcourt pass for Martin. Outside.
Lima lang yan. minutes.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 46 seconds.
Defense!
Okay.
Foul. Counted. Who's foul, rep? Sure. Foul counted. Last throw. It's a free throw. No count. Rebound by Stoya. Power rebound of the game. Stoya.
69.
Sure. Looking for Khaled. Khaled for 3. No good.
Ownership! Defense!
Pass it to Sagun. Ay, is that Stoya?
71-70. 71.
Ownership!
Score for 3. Outside. Timeout. Ownership. Martin. Receive the ball. 4-2. No count. Rebound by Zoher. Abdallah. Relax.
Ownership!
Abdallah. Pass to Randy. Nice pass. Counted. Emmanuel. 4-2. No count. Rebound by Stoya.
Ownership!
Back.
Huwag mo kailangan yung shooter namin.
Abdallah.
Khaled! Khaled, go
Pass it
for
to Zoher.
Martin!
Pass it to Abdallah again.
Go for
Pass it
Martin!
to Khaled. Nice pass for Zoher. Good for 2.
Teamwork sila, no? Karoon na sila ng teamwork.
74-71 in favor of Team Blue. Martin, good for 2.
Go for Martin! Go, go, go!
Nice one. Counted.
76-73.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 53 seconds.
Defense, defense, defense. Defense to Martin!
Martin, no good.
Because they are only one Filipino and they are Filipino. No one will play for them. Shoot! Oh, ay!
Rebound by Zoher. Zoher again.
Defense! Defense to Martin!
Tanga lang. Pass it to Martin. No good. Randy. Pass it to Zoher. Pump. No good. Pump again. No good again. Counted for Mr. Sagun. 27 foul. 07. Malabo ang mata ng kasalamin.
07, yung isang 07. Si Khalid. 5 minutes.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Khalid, dalawa. Mission Morales, please take your seat.
All, deadlock. All 76. All 76.
All 76. The time remaining is 5 minutes and 24 seconds.
All 76!
Zoher. Wait. Pass it to Khalid. No good.
Ay! Defense!
They said hold the ball. Lay up. No good. No good again. What's the call? Ref.
Line ball.
Off bounds.
5 minutes, Saki.
5 minutes and 00 seconds.
Shoot! Yes! Sino yun? Khalid?
Time out! Good. No call.
Time out.
Red timeout. Galit. Dribble the ball. Looking where to pass. Abdallah 4-3. No count.
Shoot!
Randy 4-2. In and out.
Defense!
Rene spin move. Pass it to Peter. No count.
Go, 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 go!
Randy without hesitation pass it to Suher. Khaled. Layup no good. Who's foul rep?
09.
09. Chef. Martin. Shot counted.
78 na, be.
Oh, 78.
78 na, be. Be. Ownership, defense!
Martin. Pump for 2. No count. Rebound by Jemar.
Martin, ano muna si Randy?
Abdallah.
Shoot!
4-2. Counted.
Gumagaling si Abdallah.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 31 seconds. Morales.
Penalty rep ha.
Penalty. Three minutes and 28 seconds. Second try, good. 79-80. In favor of Team Blue.
Ay! Shit. Ano nasa dun?
Pump. No good. Martin, pass it to Gemma. Martin.
Defense!
Pate. No count. Run.
Cover!
Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds.
Yeah. Let's score in. Who's that? Sino yung nakascore, be?
Si Maru. Matangkad nila.
Foul. Penalty. Foul. 0.
Go! Wow! Go, score! Defense! Oops!
Sige, mag-transfer.
Oh, cover, Martin! Ay!
Time remaining 1 minute 55 seconds.
Don't forget to cover Randy! Cover Randy! Cover! Charot! Goal! Shoot! Ay!
Score 82-79.
One more! Shoot! Ay! Shit! Ay!
Yellow ball, 39 seconds.
30
pound.
Siguro tatlo na.
Wala na yan, penalty na yun. Wala ka na maaari.
Di na ako mag-add.
Time.
Time remaining 1 minute 37 seconds.
1 minute,
37 seconds.
Rooney, tell your team cover if Randy gets the goal.
Don't take too much pound because you are in favor of this score. Oh.
Yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Time remaining 1 minute 25 seconds.
Sure, I sit.
Time remaining 1 minute 22 seconds. Score 82-79. In favor of ownership. Mr. Colin, can you please sit down again?
Shoot! Ay!
Shot.
27, foul.
Mission starts from the foul.
1 minute, 21 seconds.
1 minute, 21 seconds.
Shoot! 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 Yes! Pasok!
1 minute, 23 seconds. 83-79 in favor of.
Ay!
1 minute.
Go, go, go! Ownership!
Galing. Marunong na si ano. Time remaining.
Time remaining.
50
55 seconds.
08 si ano yan? Si Martin.
Martin.
4 na? Oh, 4 ka na, Martin!
Time remaining.
Martin, ano na? Isa na lang.
54 seconds.
Isa na lang. Shoot, Randy! Yes! Yes! Ay!
51 seconds.
Shoot!
44 seconds.
Makalikutan na yun.
27 seconds.
Foul, foul!
35 seconds.
Oh shit.
Final shot.
Go, Chef!
What's the call, rep?
Hindi pwede pre.
Okay. 84-83. 30 seconds.
Hold the ball!
10, 9, 8. Wala na.
Defense!
Five, four.
Abdullah, stay there, Abdullah! Abdullah, stay!
Everybody in the middle, yellow integrity, ownership in the middle of the court.
Yes!
Ownership, integrity in the middle of the court.